Waveguides, problems on parallel plate guides, rectangular waveguides and circular waveguides. Part 1, series on microwave engineering, lecture number 1.71. The electrical nature or behavior of waveguides can be understood by studying their filter characteristics, their dispersion characteristics, their modal propagation characteristics, their impedance characteristics, their attenuation characteristics, and other characteristics too. When I say waveguides, I mean here hollow pipe waveguides that include parallel plate guides, rectangular waveguides, and circular waveguides too. In the present session, the focus is on problems set around the characteristics of waveguides. To begin with, we consider a problem, example 1. A parallel plate guide is having a separation distance of 2 cm. Find cutoff frequencies for m equal to 1 and 2 when values of permeability and permittivity are mu equal to mu naught, epsilon equal to epsilon naught, b mu equal to mu naught, epsilon equal to 4 epsilon naught respectively. Mention the frequencies that are rejected by guide from the following. 2, 6, 12, 18 gigahertz are given. We are asked to find out frequencies that are not allowed into the waveguide. The basic point here is waves whose frequencies are less than cutoff frequency, they are not allowed. So cutoff frequency is first to be found. Now A, mu equal to mu naught, epsilon equal to epsilon naught, cutoff frequency Fc is m by 2a root mu epsilon, and it can be found by substituting the given values. It can be found equal to 7.5 gigahertz for m equal to 1. So by comparing the given frequencies 2, 6, 12, 18 with cutoff frequency 7.5, one can easily say first two frequencies get rejected. For m equal to 2, Fc is 15 gigahertz. Similarly, by comparing 15 gigahertz with given frequencies, one can say first three frequencies are rejected. B, mu equal to mu naught, epsilon equal to 4 epsilon naught. Cutoff frequency can be found equal to 3.75 gigahertz. This is for m equal to 1. Comparing the frequencies with cutoff frequency 3.75 gigahertz, one can say first one is rejected, others are allowed. For m equal to 2, Fc is 7.5 gigahertz. Comparing those frequencies with 7.5 gigahertz, one can say first two frequencies are rejected. We consider another problem, example 2. A PPG is having a separation distance of 4 cm. Find cutoff wavelengths for m equal to 1 and 2 when values of permeability and permittivity are A, mu equal to mu naught, epsilon equal to epsilon naught, b mu equal to mu naught, epsilon is 4 epsilon naught. Also mention the waves with free space wavelengths that are rejected by guide from the following: 5 cm, 6 cm, 8 cm, 10 cm. How to find out the waves that are rejected? The point is we have to compute the wavelengths of these waves in the medium using free space wavelengths which are given. and those wavelengths in the medium, they are to be compared with cutoff wavelength. All wavelengths whose medium wavelengths are more than cutoff wavelength, they are rejected. This is the basic point. Now solution. A, mu equal to mu naught, epsilon is epsilon naught. So cutoff wavelength is lambda c is 2a by m. It comes out 8 cm for m equal to 1. For m equal to 2, cutoff wavelength is 4 cm. To find the waves that are rejected, first determine their wavelengths in the medium from the given wavelengths in free space. In the present case, as mu equal to mu naught, epsilon equal to epsilon naught, they remain same. That is, medium wavelengths and free space wavelengths, they are same. When m equal to 1, first two are allowed, remaining are rejected. For m equal to 2, none is allowed into the waveguide, all are rejected. B, mu equal to mu naught, epsilon equal to 4 epsilon naught. Cutoff wavelength is independent of mu and epsilon. See, this is cutoff wavelength. There is no mu or epsilon in this expression. Hence, in case of B, lambda c is same as what we have obtained in case of A. So, in this case, that is one aspect. Second aspect is, in the present case, where mu equal to mu naught, epsilon equal to 4 epsilon naught, the wavelengths of the waves, 4 waves are given. Wavelengths of these waves in the media, they become 2.5 cm, 3 cm, 4 cm, 5 cm. These 2.5, 3, 4, 5, how they have come? Lambda, free space wavelength by square root of epsilon r gives these values. This computation gives medium wavelengths. When m equal to 1, lambda c is 8 cm, all are allowed. When m equal to 2, lambda c is 4 cm, first two are allowed and remaining are rejected. Another problem, example 3. The separation distance of a PPG is 4 cm. Assuming 9 GHz wave, determine cutoff frequency. Cutoff frequency means filter characteristic, wavelength along direction of propagation. This is guide wavelength, phase velocity, group velocity. These three pertain to dispersion characteristics for m equal to 1 and m equal to 2, AB. When values of permeability, permittivity are mu equal to mu naught, epsilon equal to 4 epsilon naught respectively. Now solution. We consider m equal to 1. Cutoff frequency formula is Fc is m by 2a root mu epsilon. M is 1, A is given, mu is given, epsilon is given. Substitution results in 1.857 GHz. Now we compute, while going further, we compute one factor capital F, square root of 1 minus Fc by F whole square. It comes out 0.978. In the calculations, we come to use, we come across the use of this factor several times. So better first calculate it and keep it aside so that we can use whenever it is required. Wavelength along propagation direction is, that is guide wavelength, it is lambda naught by F, actually capital F. But lambda naught is velocity by F. Velocity is c by root epsilon r. So considering all those aspects and substituting the given values, one can find guide wavelength as 0.017 meters. Phase and group velocities, their Vp is V by F, Vg is V into F. Of course, V is c by root epsilon r. In both the cases, F is already known. Now substitution results in values for Vp and Vg. Now we consider B, here mode number is 2. The process is same. cutoff frequency, guide wavelength, phase velocity, group velocity. Everything is found by following the procedure which we have undertaken in A. Cutoff frequency FC is m by 2a root mu epsilon. Earlier it is 1, now it is 2. So it comes out to 3.75 gigahertz. Factor F, it comes out 0.909. Guide wavelength, it comes out 0.018 meters. Phase velocity, it comes out 1.65 into 10 power 8. Guide velocity, it comes out 1.36 into 10 power 8 meters per second. Another problem, example 4. A TM10 wave with wavelength 5 cm is traveling in a PPG. The distance between two consecutive in-phase points measured along direction of propagation is found to be 10 cm. So this is guide wavelength. Guide wavelength is 10 cm. Determine cutoff wavelength and spacing of the plates when the values of permeability and permittivity are mu equal to mu naught, epsilon equal to 4 epsilon naught respectively. Guide wavelength, cutoff wavelength, and wavelength in the medium, these are all related through this famous or popular relation. From this, lambda c can be computed. Cutoff wavelength, lambda g, lambda naught by square root of lambda g square minus lambda naught square. Substituting the values, lambda naught is 5 cm, it is given here 5 cm. Lambda g 10 cm. One can find cutoff wavelength as 5.77. Cutoff frequency is velocity by lambda c. Velocity is c by root epsilon r. So now FC is 2.60 gigahertz. Spacing between the plates can be determined as A equal to m lambda c by 2. It comes out to 2.885 cm. Example 5. S-band waveguide is given. Rectangular waveguide. Dimensions are 7.214 by 3.404 cm in dimensions. It is filled with lossless dielectric of epsilon r equal to 2.25. Determine A cutoff wavelength, B cutoff frequency, C operating frequency, D operating wavelength, E guide wavelength, F phase shift constant when operating frequency is 1.5 times cutoff frequency and the wave is in TM11 mode. Rework the problem when the wave is in dominant mode. Now TM11 mode, case 1, we consider this particular situation. Cutoff wavelength, this is the formula for cutoff wavelength. 2 by square root of m by a whole square n by b whole square. M and n are mode numbers, A, B are dimensions. So 1, 1, m equal to 1, n equal to 1, A, B are given here. The substitution gives us lambda c as 6.157 cm. Cutoff frequency FC11 is velocity by lambda c11. Of course, V equal to c by root epsilon r. FC11 is 3.25 gigahertz. Now see operating frequency. F equal to 1.5 FC11. It is given in the problem itself, this information. So from this, F equal to 4.87 gigahertz. Operating wavelength is lambda naught is B by F. Of course, B is C by root epsilon r. F is known, 4.87 gigahertz. We have just calculated. Substitution results in 4.10 cm. Guide wavelength. The guide wavelength we calculate from this popular relation, lambda g equal to lambda c lambda naught by square root of lambda c minus lambda naught square, 5.50 cm. Phase shift constant beta bar is 2 pi by lambda bar. This is guide wavelength. See, guide wavelength lambda g, another symbol is lambda bar. Both means the same. In some certain places, it is some books, it is indicated by lambda g. In some books, it is lambda. It is used lambda bar to represent guide wavelength. So beta bar is 2 pi by lambda bar. Lambda bar we have just calculated 5.50 cm. Substitution results 114 radians per meter. Case 2 TE10 mode, same way, same sequence, by adopting same sequence as we did in case of case 1. Case 2 also can be solved, attended. Here it is TE10 mode. In this case, cutoff wavelength is 14.428 cm, cutoff frequency is 1.386 GHz, operating frequency is 2.08 GHz, guide wavelength is 12.88 cm, phase shift constant is 48.80 radians per meter. Another problem, example 6. A 10 GHz air-filled circular waveguide with an inner radius of 1.2 cm is working in TM01 mode. Determine its cutoff frequency and guide wavelength. Cutoff frequency of guide when working in TM mode. Here with HNM equal to HANM by A, with A equal to 1.2 cm, H01 equal to 2.405 by 1.20 into 10 power minus 2. Cutoff frequency becomes, this is standard formula for cutoff frequency when the mode is TM. Given that mode is TM01, so in calculating or in computing this particular expression, we need H01. Here he calculated H01 equal to 2.405. This one can obtain from tables. This is the radius. So values are available. Cutoff frequency computed as 9.57 GHz. At 10 GHz, wavelength is this much. Using these values in the expression for wavelength in guide. Guide wavelength is, this is the formula, guide wavelength. Lambda naught is, it is lambda naught by square root of 1 minus fc by f whole square. Here lambda we have already calculated. It is 3 into 10 power minus 2. And in the present case, lambda equal to lambda naught, as the guide is air-filled. So lambda g comes out as 10.34 cm. Another problem, example 7. Air-filled circular waveguide with radius 5 cm is being operated at 3 GHz. Find its cutoff frequency, cutoff wavelength, guide wavelength, phase velocity for TE11 and TM01 modes. For TE11, we first consider A part. For TE11, after obtaining the value of HA11 prime from Bessel function table, H11 prime is HA11 prime by A, it comes out 0.368 into 10 square. Cutoff frequency, it is obtained from this formula Fc equal to H11 prime by 2 pi root mu epsilon. Now we have H11 prime value, mu epsilon available, substitution results 1.757 GHz. Cutoff wavelength is velocity by cutoff frequency. Here velocity is c because the guide is filled with air. So lambda c comes out 17.07 cm. Now to move further, let us define a factor and find its value. Factor f equal to square root of 1 minus fc11 by f whole square. Okay, it comes out 0.8105. Now guide wavelength. Lambda j is lambda naught by 1 minus fc by f whole square. Lambda naught is velocity. As the guide is filled with air, velocity is the c by frequency, 3 into 10 power 9. Factor is already available. It is 0.8105. Substitution results in 12.34 cm. Phase velocity can be found as c by, actually it is v, but in this case v equal to c by f. It comes out 3.7 into 10 power 8 meters per second. Now we go to B. For mode TM01, after obtaining the value of HA01 from Bessel function table, H01 can be found as HA01 by A. It comes out 0.48 into 10 power 2 or 10 square. By working in a way similar to previous part, it can be found cutoff frequency as 2.292 GHz, lambda c as 13.08 cm, guide wavelength as 15.50 cm, phase velocity as 4.65 into 10 power 8 meters per second. These are some of the problems which I want to discuss right now.